In this video, what I want to talk about is parallel turns, and there's two basic variations of your parallel turns. Hey there everyone, Jason Tapali here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning and Fresh Treks Ski Fitness. I'm in the beautiful Zellamzee today. You can see the lake down there, but it's a bit spring-like snow, so you can see in the background the snow's disappearing. This is the beginning of March, but in this video what I want to talk about is parallel turns, and there's two basic variations of your parallel turns. Now, I did a video from this place last year with showing you different turns and the technique and what you should do. I had a little bit of criticism for that. I don't know why. I literally almost word for word did the Canadian version of it, where you had to pivot the inside ski. I had a few people, well, one person in particular was saying I said it all wrong, but I got so many likes on my YouTube video and that, so everyone, and I've got messages saying, oh no, what you said was perfectly fine. But apart from that, I know what I'm doing. I am a ski instructor, Canadian ski instructor, so I know how to go from parallels, from snow plows to parallels to carving turns. But in this video, I want to go back and tell you about two parallel turns, two basic variations, and that is the drifted parallel turns and the carved parallel turns. Now, the drifted parallel turns are where the skis will move or sideways to different angles, and this will sort of like scrape off some speed if you're going down faster. So the tail of the ski will like travel the longer path than the tip, and it will like I say, it will subscribe like a longer radius. So those are sort of long radius drifted parallel turns where you're drifting. So you're gonna you're gonna spray up a lot of snow. So you're gonna spray up to literally scrub off speed. The tail has more sort of like sideways displacement from the center and then the tip. So it is like, I'm trying to sort of be basic, but just trying to let people know a little bit more what complicated things are in the drifted turn. So yeah, like I'll repeat for the drifted turn before I go into the parallel. It's like when you go down into a parallel, you scrub off speed, and you'll see the spray coming up. That's more of a drifted parallel turn. So the carved parallel turn is where the tail will follow the tip and make a long arc. Now, these are really good if you have wide pistes and the pistes have been bashed or smoothed off the night before. You can do it when it's a bit choppy, but if you can find a lovely smooth piste, nice wide one, you can do some really lovely carving turns. So again, the front of the ski creates the track or the groove throughout which the entire ski runs. So if you look back when you've done, you'll see this very much, not very much spray coming off the ski. It should be one sort of, like, I call it a rail line, two rail lines in the snow, and you should be able to see that really good. You know, it all depends on the side cut of the ski, obviously. So if you have more of like a shaped ski, you're going to have a quicker radius. But those are two types of parallels. There's lots of different things, but from snow plows to parallels, like I say, drifted parallel turns to carved parallel turns, and there is also from carved parallel turns real true carving turns, and then also, like I say, there is short turns, quick turns, jump turns, braquage, you know, anything like that. So there's two different types of parallel turns. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe on YouTube, it'd be really appreciated. And yeah, I hope I'll see you on another video coming real soon. Cheers.